Okay, so we have the conveyor going out of the mixer working just fine, and it's operated by a foot pedal, so you can fill flats or pots right there. It's not going to be good for filling a gallon pot, but if you have 5 gallon or larger, it'll fill pots quite nicely. And we tested the mixer. It obviously works. And the in conveyor. The conveyor going in is going to take things up. And what it's set up for, what this red rack is set up for, is to hook tote bags up and feed in. And here's an example of the size of the tote bags. They're basically pallet tote bags, 40 inches square by 5 foot tall. But very pleased that everything works.